warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, by the way, my name is AB. I'm from Loyal Class. I'm together with
My name is Iqbal Muhammad. I'm MS100. I'm a teacher from Royal Flex.
Okay. So we will talk regarding 5 things that we can bring everywhere. So maybe Ma'am Nova and Mr. Man they want to know our equipment, the one we can bring everywhere, or the 5 things only. So maybe Mr. Man can answer me, Mr. Zaman can answer me regarding for that.
Yeah, can you tell me about the 5 things that you often bring?
Okay. So for my side, I always bring for the important one is money.
Yeah,
Yes, money, and then I always bring my phone and also my charger and perfume and
Perfume.
and the other one is clothes.
Clothes.
Yes, because sometimes when you go somewhere, we don't know the weather, right? Like raining or windy or something, so we have to change. Or sometimes maybe if we are forget, maybe we can buy also to the other store. So we right away buy and then we can use that.
Yeah.
But for the most of the time, like me always bring my clothes everywhere because it's for in case only. And that's it for my side. And how about you, sir?
5 things that I often bring. I think just bag.
Yes.
Yeah, just bag. And in my bag, there are many things like my phone, my wallet, and my cigarettes. Yeah, because I'm smoker, I used to buy some cigarettes. And, do you have a bag?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you like bring it?
Yes. Because when I go somewhere, I always bring my clothes in the inside bag.
So do you often bring it to BC?
No, I have a sling bag only. So I have sling bag. My own sling bag is special for study go to BC. But when we go somewhere, we have a different bag because what do you call? If I have a backpack,
Yeah,
yeah, backpack it's like kids. I mean like a school game. So that's why I
Yeah.
buy the other one.
But I think backpack is more comfortable
Yes,
for us
yes.
because the bag is more larger
Yeah.
than sling bag, and you can put your clothes and your another things that in backpack. And I have a backpack for what? Go hiking like that.
Did you borrow from? Did you rent?
No,
No.
I have.
Oh, you have your
Yeah.
your own.
Yeah, my
Ah.
own bag. Own bag like that. So I think what is the important thing from of your 5 things?
For the first is only
Money.
phone.
Oh, phone.
Yeah, phone. Because in phone I have everything. My money is there. Yeah. I can contact my friend if I have problem, urgent or something like that. And because it was connect also to my family, and then if in case my family calling or something like that, I know already. I go in somewhere and then if I need something, just call everyone or need help or what do you call? If you don't know where we go, we can search also the Google Map. Everywhere we can go. I can't go without mobile phone. That's why I always it's one packet only with the charger. So charger and phone is balancing like 50-50 my things. Yes.
What is your phone?
It's my phone.
Oh, your phone is iPhone.
Yes.
Yeah.
But actually, do you have the other things like the one you can always bring everywhere?
I think maybe I always bring perfume.
Perfume?
Perfume and I usually bring. I think that's it. That's it. And because I never. No, I seldom to go anywhere.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, seldom to go anywhere. And I just go to Ordal, there, busy, like
Terus ka,
Yeah, because I'm a student and I have to a lot of experience of LinkedIn.
for my side is like the other thing because I can not bring like everywhere is like what do you call amenities. Amenities means like toothpaste, brush teeth, facial wash. That's including an amenities. So I always bring that package, so it's gonna be easy and because I don't want to everyone is like what is it, smelly or something like that because we have to look our personal hygiene and we have to look our personal branding. Yeah, something like that. So you have to aware what you are doing, you have to aware what you are wearing, something like that. So I have to be managing where you go and then what clothing you can wear the agenda or if you go to the wedding. So you have to be what do you conditional. Conditional. So if you go somewhere else, yes.
You have to apply
Yes, yes.
in a way.
So I think that's all from us. So the last we say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.